Here's a great group of exercises that you can do as a warm-up. So I'm going to start with one weight in my hand, and I'm going to open my chest and round my back. It's a natural movement. I use this to warm up my classes and myself all the time. So not only can you go up and down, but you can go side to side and warm up that core. So I'm not going to stop there. We're going to go on. You can go low to high for rotation in the back. And then I'm going to come back to center, and then we're going to go the other way. Low to high. So you're engaging the legs a little bit as well. Push. Now I'm going to go all the way around the world for the shoulders. Let your body rock, let your body roll, and then take it to the other side. So all of these can be done as part of an active, dynamic warm-up if you're lifting weights or doing anything else. And I'm going to reach, squat, and reach. Give me a couple more. So I hope that gave you a couple of ideas to warm up your body with just one weight. Until next time.